channels na dia we e my mo dey special link am bibia answer akabi tafe e blind history say na say ni efra na no ho na no enda say ifenya no enda ene say wan kana asem am say wan tia asem baby and the baby si a abedi watem poto na ina echi na say netimo kan na no or the boy aye former president John Dramani Mahama say o yam say amon o corrupt na ampan we and say Ghana say penny biom on kasa man hu o kasa mo bibia say penny biom nti no bibia enkoto na ban fama aye kwi na asaba kono so odno akobọ ne mebia aye say aye Nigeria o kasa government no omo fuasa ne man so o kan se mebia se mi na se ni na ka ni se o kan na e bata aye Mohbad ni go no ha say na won ye pass sa kom she ebeto na no mama for say na otumi hu ade e nse wan bompa ye enfensi hu kwan na esewie na fe na mo di video no eba out enkotie insem no.
Last night, my wife did not know that there was a Mohbad. How many of you know Mohbad? Huh? The Nigerian artist who died at 27? Mohbad. Mohbad, when he was drinking and smoking and associating with men, he does not know that the harvest will come so soon and it will be cut down in the prime of youth. I'm not blaming him. I'm just telling you, is Mohbad a good name? Mohbad.
What is today's date? Today is 23rd of October
2022.
2022. Number 2. There is a popular young man, very vibrant young man, who is a star, a man at the center of his own world, a star in Nigeria. But this young man I'm seeing, I see him engage himself with something that brought his name to the mud. A star in Nigeria. His fans never believed. The fans are arguing that it was a setup. But the police caught him, and I see him was begging in front of television stations. This is one of your super fans. But I see him got involved in something Nigerian government say they don't want. But the thing affected him so badly. If they take away this person, the music industry of Nigeria will shake. This is not ordinary musician. This is a musician with a different. But I see him commit a crime that will make his career come to an end. Now, who is this musician? So it's a warning to all the musicians, because I see one of them in big trouble. And if this musician has money, what are you even looking for? Why all these things? It's a disgrace and a shame. I see people begin to unfriend him, unfollow him. I say him because he's a man.
I think I pass also be kind also or say Mohbad ni body there or here justice pa. So say Nigeria for police for no omo oduma ye justice in there. Omo fancy wo Emma Mohbad since ni wo ndi na ye pa na fin so no. Osaso the new word advice is we brain na say nipa do wo kwa men fa to tim say obia edo. Obia oni tale pa na cho obedu bone. Enkotie futu ni bi embra.
Young man died in Nigeria, and the whole internet is all agog. What's his name? Mohbad. Strong one. So pathetic. A young, vibrant, talented young man. 6 lessons I learned from the death of Mohbad. Number 1 lesson, that you will always have enemies in this world. Whether you are good or you are bad, some people are desperate and they will always hate you no matter what. People will hate you. People will hate you. People will hate you. They will hate you no matter how good you are. Number two, that people are very heartless. They will hate you in your death. They will hate you alive. And they will disrespect your dead body. When I saw the way they carved the boy head in the coffin, a boy bigger than the coffin forced his head and bent the head, treated the boy's dead like a chicken, then I know how cruel human beings can be. Nobody is worth your death. Stay and fight for your cause. Number three, lesson I learned about the death of this young man, that when people around you begin to cry for help, show them help. Don't show them help after they are dead. Help them while they are alive. Help them while they are alive. If people around Mohbad have shown help, have listened to him while he cried out, we will not be having this pain. We will not be having this shout. He was crying in his song. He was crying out everywhere. Family, defend your brothers. Fathers, defend your son. Defend your daughter. Defend. Mothers, defend your son. Defend your daughter. Hear me. When they complain, stand for them. There's nothing beautiful like family. Let them say you are showing family. I don't care. I have said it here. I will stand by my children, stand by my wife, stand by my extended family. I don't care what you think about me. If I die today, some of you will not be here. You will leave and find another pastor. But my wife, my children, my family will stay by me. I will defend my family with my last blood. I don't care what you think about me and my family. My family is my family. Number four. One lesson that I want you to turn to prayer. May you not be popular after your death. May you not be popular after your death. May you not receive help after your death. May people stand for you when you are alive. May people not stand for you when you are dead. How I wish that Nigeria stood for this boy while he was alive. May you not be popular after your death. May you receive help while you are alive. While you are alive, may you receive help. May you receive help. Sit down. Number 5. I learned one serious mystery, that whether you are born again or you are not born again, or you are a prophet or you are not a prophet, when injustice is done against you, your spirit will cry out. It has never happened in the history of this country. A secular singer died, and people, even president died, people don't fight for them like this. People stood up. Then I understand that the love of God is not for only those who speak in tongues. You might not be born again. Our God is a God of justice. When evil is done, our God will rise up. I have never seen where somebody died and the whole government say, assume the body. After being buried, take it up, we must investigate. Anybody who is fighting you in darkness, they will run helter-skelter. There will be judgment on them. Never use your position to victimize anybody. Never use money to victimize anybody.
Ada from in some way, and I say how from among the two jar. Now my baby so on so back such as say on soon. Mohbad don't we a compass no friend in the customer or man never money ye be a friend me now answer Mohbad to we and so. Mohbad be in who a HM and I mamma can say a year Mohbad no or so penny mammy you pay. Or pay revengeance and I feel up justice and man you won. Some men a two jar. You could see my minister Ember.
And they are fully aware of the steps that we are going to take. Ṣùgbọ́n, I am doing this video live because mo fẹ́ bẹ̀ yín ni. Mo fẹ́ bẹ̀ yín ìkà. This boy wants to liberate a lot of people that have been subdued. This boy wants to liberate a lot of people that have not been able to get help when help was needed. Ìmọ́lẹ̀ rán mi lọ síbi alágbára. I cannot count how many times I have seen Mohbad. And you know that boy said something very strange. Because a lot of you know me, I'm very quiet about some parts of my life. Mohbad called me. He said, Oriri. I was shocked. And this boy specifically gave me some instructions. The boy told me a lot of things. And Mohbad gave me specific names of people I should call. And I picked my phone. I called them. Cute Abiola. And a number of them. And he told me to ask them specific questions. Which I did. Mohbad said, just Adetun, èèyàn alára méjì nìyí now. I was shocked. I called a lot of elders in London. I had to call Nigeria. I called a lot of elders and I asked them. They said, Orí ẹ̀tàn ló ṣe nǹkan tó sọ yẹn. After Mohbad died, more than 20 different people were killed in Shagam. And these people are also young children. Young children. Allah ma jẹ́ ká fojú àárọ̀ ṣe ya ọmọ ká má fojú alẹ́ ṣàbíamọ o. Allah ma jẹ́ ká fi ọjọ́ àárọ̀ ṣe ya ọmọ ká wá má fi ọjọ́ alẹ́ ṣàbíamọ o. Ah, ìmọ́lẹ̀. And this boy said,
ẹ farabalẹ̀ o. Tó bá jolu alóní kẹ́ lọ, mo wà pẹ̀lú yín nínú ẹ̀mí. Ẹ gbàdúrà yín Ọlọ́run á farahàn yín bí kẹ́ tó lọ. Ẹ gbélé tẹ́ ṣe ò ní díẹ̀.
live video.
Ó ní nǹkan tó lọ afẹ́kẹ́ lọ mú bẹ̀. Ṣé gbọ́? Ó ní nǹkan tó lọ afẹ́kẹ́ lọ mú bẹ̀ o. Mo ti sọ fún yín tẹ́ bá ti kúrò bí lọ́la kẹ́ gbàbẹ̀ lọ. Tẹ́ bá débẹ̀ tọ́. Ẹ sọ tẹ́ fẹ́ sọ ká sì máa lọ. Ute ni din je o.
Daddy ọmọ yìí ní ìyá láyé. Kí wá ló jẹ́ ewa lé mi. Ó lé àwọn tá rò pé Ìmọ́lẹ̀ said the people we think that want to save him, they are betrayals. They have betrayed them so many times. Even when he ran to them. He said they have betrayed him so many times. Àtọlọ́pàá àtijọba ọ̀dàlẹ̀ ni wọ́n tí gbogbo wa dẹ̀ mọ̀. Torí pé wọ́n jọ ń jẹnu àwo kan náà, wọ́n jọ ń mu ni. Listen, the reason why I'm doing this video is very straightforward. Oshede Babajide ni. Just that pastor came and they met me. Any come on for me tissue daddy. Sherry. One can find tissue. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ jẹ́ ìkà ayé. Mo fẹ́ bẹ̀ yín lẹ́bẹ̀ kan o. That name called Ìmọ́lẹ̀. Ìmọ́lẹ̀ nítorí pé gbogbo àwọn tó kù. Àwọn ọmọ wa, àwọn ọ̀dọ́ wa tó ti sá lọ, tó ń wá agbára ayé. Looking for affluence, influence because they have been subdued. God is going to use this to liberate them. I want all of us to wake up. A lot of you people know that when things happen, I'll come out, I'll talk, I'll shout. But eléyìí yàtọ̀. Eléyìí yàtọ̀. Eléyìí yàtọ̀. Ó yàtọ̀. Daddy, ọmọ yẹn sọ̀rọ̀ títí bá tí mo lọ sí school ọmọ mi. Báàgì tí mo fà, ó ní ẹ jẹ́ n bá yín fà. Mo wá pariwo mọ́. Mo ní kó fi mí lẹ̀, mo ti gbọ́ nǹkan tó sọ. Ó dẹ̀ lọ. Ó bínú lọ lẹ́yìn. Mohbad bínú lọ lẹ́yìn mi báyìí. Ó wá padà wá. Mo fẹ́ wọ́n mo jẹ fún bàbá Àṣàbí. Ó wá jó fún mi. Pé ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀jọ́ ẹ béèrè àforíjì fún mi. He said these two words. He wants vengeance. He wants vengeance. And he wants justice.
It's an update about Mohbad and I made the appetite. I'm saying we can kind of say, we swash it to me that I just update baby piano. And Pamo de Biara, a bedtime, no moon, what's it there? Air costume be. Make a photo empty Eddie, I must say what empty production. 31st percent empty photography. We have 4 pictures to be a empty photography. Before BBR5 with a videography, be also a 3 empty production. I think so. Printing be also say banner stickers, be also a 3 empty fast print. I'm not better that screen as in a fan banner no entry in common. So I put a jaw to be a home say bold mount the root at the moment in a hour. The fan banner penny for entry in common now will be a Obiano. Or no kind of senate paper. Subscribe to your channel, and Dia or your mind. But that's it. Yeah, when you're linking so much shame will be our answer. I keep it. Oh, she now chums almost subscribing about a bay. I'm so mom's a back update be able to a channel. So that's an episode of a shabby. Tell me that tribe, the voice of the people.